Have you ever told yourself, I should work out today? But then work happens, emails happen, life happens, and suddenly it's 10 p.m., you're tired, and the idea of driving to a gym feels impossible. Or maybe you've thought, I don't have equipment. I don't know the right exercises. 10 minutes won't make a difference anyway. If that's been your inner voice, this video is for you. Because today I'm going to show you a science-based full-body workout that takes just 10 minutes. No gym, no equipment, no complicated routines. And here's the best part. Research shows that even short bouts of exercise performed consistently can significantly improve strength, fitness, and long-term health. So the question isn't, can 10 minutes change your body? The real question is, can 10 minutes change your habits? Let's find out. 1. The rule that makes this work. Before we start the workout, there's one thing you need to understand. This routine isn't designed to destroy you. It's designed to make showing up easy. Because most people don't fail because workouts are ineffective. They fail because the routine asks too much. Myth versus reality. Myth. You need an hour-long workout to see results. Reality. A short workout you actually do beats a perfect workout you constantly skip. 10 minutes, done consistently. That's where progress begins. Now let's move. 2. Bodyweight squats. The foundation. First exercise, bodyweight squats. Time, 40 seconds. Rest, 20 seconds. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Sit back like you're lowering yourself into a chair. Chest up, knees tracking over your feet. Then stand tall. Simple, but incredibly effective. This movement trains your glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, and even your core. Think about everyday life. Standing up, climbing stairs, picking something off the floor. Squats make all of that easier. Before, getting tired after climbing stairs. After, stronger legs that support everything you do. If regular squats feel difficult, reduce the depth or use a chair behind you. 3. Push-ups with zero ego. Next up, push-ups. Time, 40 seconds. Rest, 20 seconds. And listen carefully. You do not need to do standard push-ups. You can do wall push-ups, incline push-ups, knee push-ups, or regular push-ups. Choose the version you can control. Because myth versus reality. Myth, real push-ups mean touching your chest to the floor from day one. Reality, the best push-up is the one you can perform with good form. Research consistently shows that progressive overload matters more than your starting level. So forget impressing people. Focus on improving, one rep at a time. If you're enjoying science-based fitness without the gym nonsense, make sure to subscribe. Because this channel is all about practical workouts, smart training, and getting results that fit real life. Now, let's keep going. 4. Glute bridges, the most underrated exercise. Lie on your back. Knees bent, feet flat. Lift your hips toward the ceiling. Pause, then slowly lower. Time, 40 seconds. Rest, 20 seconds. Feels different. This exercise targets your glutes and posterior chain, the muscles many people neglect because they sit all day. And that's exactly why it's important. Myth versus reality. Myth, lower back discomfort means your back is weak. Reality, sometimes the problem is weak glutes and inactive hips from too much sitting. Strengthening these muscles improves posture, balance, and movement quality. It's simple, but powerful. 5. The secret ingredient, planks. Final exercise. The plank. Time, 40 seconds. Rest, 20 seconds. Just hold, but do it correctly. Squeeze your glutes. Brace your abs. Keep your body in a straight line. Not this. And definitely not this. Because planks aren't about surviving. They're about creating tension. And here's something interesting. Research shows core stability improves the transfer of force throughout your body, which means a stronger core helps almost everything else become stronger too. Here's your action plan. Save this, screenshot it, and do it today. Round 1 bodyweight squats. 40 seconds. rest 20 seconds. Push-ups, 40 seconds, rest 20 seconds. Glute bridges, 40 seconds. Rest 20 seconds. Plank, 40 seconds. Rest 20 seconds. Repeat the circuit one more time. That's it. 10 minutes. If you have more time, do 3 rounds. If you only have energy for 1 round, that's okay too, because something is always better than nothing. And remember this myth: you need motivation to start. Reality: you need a routine simple enough that motivation becomes optional. No gym, no equipment, no excuses, just 10 minutes that fit into your life. If you found this useful, subscribe and join this community of people getting stronger with smarter, science-based fitness. And tell me in the comments, what's the biggest thing stopping you from working out consistently? I'll see you in the next video.